honey bunnies, welcome back my beautiful crafty friends. We are going to be making a really fun ornament today for the Christmas series. A very simple, easy one that is going to literally take no time to create. You can absolutely make these with the kids. They would love to make something like this. And you can create them as tags or even as like little Christmas gifts. Stocking stuffers would be perfect, or just add them to your Christmas tree. It's simple, very easy. This one that I created here is a cute little gingerbread, and it's just absolutely adorable. It turned out so cute, guys. Look at this. Literally, you can probably find these like ornaments in like the stores, and it will cost you, good buck or two, maybe $5-6 each one, depending where you go. But guess what? We're going to create this ourselves. So let me show you how to make these adorable ornaments. What you need to do is go to any dollar store. I prefer the Dollar Tree because I'm obsessed with the Dollar Tree, but you can go really anywhere. And find yourself by the toy section these tower games that they sell. Now, usually they look like this, okay? If you go to the Dollar Tree, you most likely will find this one. I did find also this one at the Dollar Tree, and this is the one that has two different tones of blocks. It has a lighter tone and a darker tone. And what I mean by that is like this. See, this is a darker one and this is a lighter one. If you find this one at the Dollar Tree, this is only one color, one tone, which is most likely the wood. Okay, so choose whatever catches your eye. And literally, this costs us only $1. You get 36 blocks in one of these boxes. So you can create quite a few ornaments out of that box, okay? That's what we're going to do. So here I have my little squares that I already picked out. So I like to kind of mix match my squares. Put you a little bit closer. To not miss anything. Okay, so I have here the darker one, the lighter one, the darker one, the lighter one, and the darker one. I'm going to use literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. Okay, you can use as many as you want. You can use 4, you can use 3, you can use 6. It's your project. You make it work however you want to. Coordinate the blocks how it looks good to you, and then you're going to glue them down with your hot glue. Okay, I have my hot glue running for me right here. So you're going to add a very small amount of hot glue, and you're going to basically glue these down together. Okay, and you're just going to continue doing the same process for the rest of the blocks. Make sure you don't put too much hot glue, because once you put these together, they will gush out. So be mindful of that. And you're going to get yourself a cute little square block like that. You see that? Cute little square block, just like that. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to decorate our little cute ornament. So what I use here is these really cute, adorable deers that I've been having forever. I had these for about a year, maybe 2 years ago. I have a whole bunch of these little tiny Christmas little like ornaments that I like to keep and save. You can find these really anywhere. The Dollar Tree sells really, really cute ones that are small. You can go to AC Moore. You can go to Hobby Lobby. You can also go to the section where they sell the little tiny treasures, and that also is a good idea to get these tiny little ornaments that they sell. Okay, now if you don't have anything similar to this, the Dollar Tree sells awesome little ornaments that you can use. You can also go to Walmart. Walmart will be a perfect place for you to find these little tiny like figurines. Walmart has these beautiful reindeers that you can also use as kind of incorporate in this project, and you can use many other things that they have. Okay, so just be creative on what you're going to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my deer for my little ornament. But I also have these beautiful snowflakes that I also bought at the Dollar Tree that I want to also decorate my blocks with, okay? So I'm going to use one of these, as I did here. And I'm going to glue down my snowflake onto my block. And I'm going to put a cute little tiny embellishment in the center of my snowflake so that that hole doesn't show, okay? And that's going to really give my ornament a nice look to it. So let's glue down the snowflake. Okay, and then I'm going to glue down my little tiny embellishment that I created earlier, and I showed you guys on one of my Christmas series videos on how to create these really fun little embellishments. I'm going to glue that down. If you don't have something like this, just make yourself a nice little bow out of twine. That also works perfectly fine. Or maybe you can add like a button, a bell would be nice there too, a tiny little bell. Okay, now we're going to add our adorable little embellishment right in front of my little block, okay? What I did with my embellishment is I'm going to add some double-sided tape on it so it can kind of lift a little bit, and it gives it a little bit more of a nicer look to me. So I'm going to add some double-sided foam tape on my embellishment on the back, and then I'm going to also hot glue that just to make sure that it does not go anywhere, right? We don't want this to move. And we're going to glue our beautiful reindeer on our little block. Just like so. Okay, and look at that. This is so cute. Look how cute that looks. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a tiny little bow, because that's what I did with this one. You see that little bow right there? I'm going to add a little tiny bow right by the bow tie area of the reindeer, or by the neck. Okay, and we're going to use a tiny bit of hot glue to glue down the little bow, and that just gives it a really pretty finished look to your reindeer. If this is too long, just go ahead and cut it, and there you have it. See that? How cute that looks? How adorable is that? Oh, I love it. Look at that. So adorable. So the last thing you're going to do is you're going to add a little hook so you can hang this from the tree. You can hang it from a gift bag, or you can actually hang it from like a wall. Maybe you have like a little wall area that you want to make these. So what I did was I used twine for this, okay? And I used the red and white one because I think it's appropriate, you know. And I cut a little piece off. And all I did was basically on the back of your ornament, okay, you're going to add a little bit of hot glue to the center of the first part of your block. And then you're going to add your twine onto that, okay? So I'm just going to make a nice little line in the center of my block. And then I'm going to add my twine onto that glue that I just added, okay? And I'm going to hold onto this for a few seconds so it can glue down. And that's going to create yourself that nice little loop that's going to allow you to hang this to a Christmas tree or wherever you want to hang it onto. Okay? Beautiful. And there you have your beautiful ornament that you created in no time. Literally no time. I mean, this is so cute. Look how adorable these are. You can actually even gift this as a present to like your co-workers or your family. This is just such a beautiful, adorable, simple project to create. And there you have it, guys. And that's how I created this beautiful little embellishment or ornament, okay? I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these adorable, adorable ornaments. I hope that you get inspired to create your own. Make sure you tag me on Instagram if you make them. And I will see you guys soon on my next Christmas series video. I love you all and have a fantastic weekend. Be safe. Bye.